Welcome everyone to Market Prep with me, the professor, as your host, going over my ticker that I call on Instagram each morning pre-market, and I'm going to break it down after hours. So let's make it happen. The ticker I called today was MARA in pre-market, and we're going to see how it played out. Again, if you want to check the levels, you can go to my IG. It's there, blue check mark, Instagram right there, and it's right here. So let's make it happen. The levels, we're going to break it down. By the way, it only has 80 comments. So you know what that means. After next week, you won't be seeing the real videos anymore. I'll let it rock because the deal was 100 comments minimum. The video has like 12,000 views and 180 comments. So expect next week to be the end of the video. So let's make it happen. We're going to talk about MARA, the crypto mining stock. If you know nothing about it, get on it. So what were the levels I called for MARA in pre-market? Let's see if they hit. So let's talk about it. The ticker, let's change the marker color. So it's MARA. And the date, as I said, I always forget the date. January 9th, 24. Remember, daytradeprofessor.com, free trading course. If you can't afford anything, it's free. No scams. So MARA, the level I gave right here, I always give 4 levels, is, let's see which one it hit. 25.35, and the next level was 26.09. There you go, right there, boom. So let's talk about it. Pre-market opened up, and what happened? Chopped throughout most of the morning. Remember, you always want to wait 15 to 20 minutes for the market to calm down. Think of it this way. I love sailing. Turks and Caicos is where I usually go to sail. And when the waters are super choppy, I don't go there. And plus, they know me. I've been going there since my late 20s. I'm 36. And they're like, Professor, today's not the day. Don't even bother. I'm like, cool. They're the professionals. They know better than me. I stay off the waters. Massive chop. 15, 20 minutes after, you see it. By the way, you see the battle happening at this blue line, which is my level. Once it pumps up, pull back as usual. And look where it settles down, sideways, right here, at 25.35, holding there. Once the explosion happens, all the way, hits the top, pulls, comes right back, holds, continues up, which is fine, happens. Remember, I'm going to sound like a broken record throughout this series for this week and next week. And what I want you to understand is your job is to get the piece of the pie, not the entire pie. You're not going to eat it. You're 6 years old, you think you could eat a pie, God bless, and deal with the consequences the next day. You want a piece of the pie. So what happens? Pulls, comes back, battles this level at 26.09. Again, sideways, breaks, holds above it, fails, and this is where the beauty of scalp trading comes to play, which I love. And people ask me, why do you love scalp trading so much? You get paid every single day. Depending on how many trades you want to take, I say take 2 to 3 trades max, depending on your setup, if it comes to you. But if you notice right here, long, paycheck 1. Wait for the right opportunity. Again, you need to look at multiple time frames. I forgot to mention what page we're on. I always forget this. I always forget. For those of you that got the book, 5,000 plus sold, I already know majority of you watching have it. You should be on page, let's go, 58. I should have this written down, 75. Because this is just the breakdown. Don't expect full-blown lessons. The book or my classes in New York. You should know this by now. For those of you that, if you want to learn on Zoom, go somewhere else. You want to learn the Signal Discord. I don't have any signals, subscriptions, none of the above. My job is to do what? Make you consistent so you can be free from everybody else and their perspectives. And of course, the page hundreds. You already know. Mainly focus on those. So keep that in mind. So notice, after the fail at this level, 26.09, you could go back and check this. Where did it fall? Look at that area again. And we're not going to go throughout the rest of the day. Pointless. I'll show you if you want to. But continued battle at 25.35. Here's the conversation I'll have with you. Many of you think stock market's a scam, levels don't work. Nothing works. Nothing works because you don't work. That's the key part you need to understand. Your life is a mess because you're a mess. You're not consistent in anything. Forget trading. You can't keep a plant alive. You can't keep a relationship alive. You have no good eating habits, nor do you have good relationships with your parents or your friends. Yet you think somehow you're going to be consistent with the charts. That's why the book is called How to Be a Consistent Trader. It's a daily battle. So that's the breakdown for today and how it played out. At the end of the day, that's all you need. You need 2 to 3 paychecks, execute at the time it's there, and move on. But let's look at the rest of the day. Why not? So let's cancel this out. Again, just follow these 2 lines. I made them thicker for you guys. Let's go down for the rest of the day, and let's see what happened. If you notice, constant battle at the same area. Same area, almost touched it here. And then this is pre-market. Let's see what happened in pre-market. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This was the next level I posted on the IG, which is 27.37. You can go backtrack this, by the way. 27.37 was the next level right there. Hit that vicinity, crumbled back down. So when it comes to trading, keep this in mind. This is your market prep Tuesday today. I'm doing this whole week and next. And then that's a wrap because, again, the rules were 100 minimum comments. If you don't want to comment, you don't want to engage, you won't get the content. Take this seriously. Free course, all the info is right here. It's flowing at the bottom. You can never say, how do I find anything? Daytradeprofessor.com. Let me know down below what tickers do you want me to look at? And I will break those down tomorrow and the rest of the week and next. And then I'll see you who knows when. May peace be upon you all. Stay safe trading.